Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see 9th July important current affairs topic wise. First, national news. Amit Shah announces cooperative life insurance company. Here important is Union Minister Amit Shah announced cooperative life insurance company and expansion of Bharat Taxi to 500 cities within next 2 years to strengthen cooperative sector and financial inclusion. Next is PM Modi inaugurates India's first greenfield refinery petrochemical complex. Estimated cost is 79450 crores. Place is important to Pachpadra, Rajasthan to boost energy security, petrochemical production and industrial development. Next topic is state news. Arunachal Pradesh launches helicopter relief mission. The question will be which state launched helicopter relief mission? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next is UP approves startup policy 2026 with a cost of 1000 crore startup fund and incentive for AI, robotics, aerospace and deep tech startup. Next, UP clears AI ready data center policy 2026. Uttar Pradesh approved a new data center policy aiming to attract over 2 lakh crore investment, create 2 gigawatt capacity and generate more than 57,500 jobs. Next one, Jalalabad renamed as Parshuram Puri. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Next, Sirsa Kinno receives Haryana's first GI tag for fruit. Important to related to Haryana. West Bengal approves 313.3 crore tea workers welfare package. Tea worker welfare package related to West Bengal state. Cost is 313.3 crore. Next, which state built first inflatable rubber dams? Answer is Gujarat. See, cost is 162 crore. Next, international news. China conducts submarine launched ballistic missile test in South Pacific Ocean, driving concern from Australia, New Zealand and Japan. Next topic is business news. Bharat Tax to expand operations across 500 cities. Sahakari Tax Cooperative will expand Bharat Tax to 500 cities. Over 6.37 lakh registered drivers under the cooperative business model. Next is defense news. Adani Defense begins 2,500 crore missile manufacturing project. Important one. Next, INS Mahendragiri to join India Navy on 11th July. This is the 6th indigenous project, 17th stealth freighter INS Mahendragiri at Visakhapatnam. Next, Indonesia to import India's Astra Bivira missile. Next topic is awards. PM Modi receives Indonesia's highest civilian award. The award name is Bintang Adipurna by Indonesia President Prabowo Subianto. The last topic, science and tech. ISRO successfully test solve vehicle solid motor. ISRO completed the first successful ground test of Sol vehicle solid motor advance in the Gaganyaan human space flight program. Okay friends, these are the important current affairs. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.